Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to open an Oanda Live account. First, navigate to a browser and search for Oanda Live. Now, open the Oanda website from the search results. You'll be directed to the current converter. Next, click on the online trading button on the right side. Here, click the start trading in the top right corner. To get started, first tell them if you live in Pakistan or not. If not, then select your country from the list. Once selected, click confirm and continue. To create a new account, enter your email address correctly. Then, create a strong password for security reasons. Make sure to read and accept the privacy policy. After that, click confirm and continue. Wait for a few seconds and enter your personal details. It may include your name, date of birth, and mobile phone number. Then, hit confirm and continue to save this information. Now, choose your nationality from the list. It may also require your tax ID, passport number, expiry date, and more. Finally, confirm and continue to create your live account. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.